Welcome. Let's learn 50 important basic common sentences and possible answers.
Good morning.
Possible answer.
Good morning to you as well.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Milad.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
I am sorry.
Don't worry about it.
Please.
What can I do for you?
Can you help me?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I need some assistance.
Sure. What do you need help with?
Where is the nearest restroom?
Let me help you find it.
How much does it cost?
It costs $10.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
I love you.
Thank you for saying that.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Take care.
Take care of yourself as well.
See you later.
Bye.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and two sisters.
How was your day?
It was great. Thanks for asking.
What are you doing this weekend?
I was hoping we could spend some time together if you are free.
I am hungry.
Me too. Let's eat.
I am tired.
Go get some rest.
Let us go for a walk.
Great idea.
What is your favorite movie?
I'm not sure. I like many movies.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, you can.
Are you busy?
Positive answer, yes, I am. Negative answer, no, I'm not.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken fried rice.
I am sorry for the mistake.
It's alright, I forgive you.
Can you repeat that, please?
Of course, say it again.
How is the weather today?
It's expected to rain later today.
I am feeling sick.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that.
I am happy.
That's great.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free tomorrow.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
What is your occupation?
I work with Google company.
What is your phone number?
I forgot my phone number.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks. I like learning.
If you want to learn English, receive the English signal every day is necessary. So subscribe.